my husband's mother and father's. And I decided to make it over. So I did, I used Rustoleum linen white chalk paint and just gave it like a quick first coat. Then it's tissue paper, y'all. I got this tissue paper at Nashville Wraps, and I didn't know what I was going to do with it when I originally got it, but I wanted it, so, Well, so I thought, oh, this will be cute on the drawers and on the top. Okay, y'all. Do y'all see how I'm doing this, how I'm cutting this stuff out? Let's just take a minute and get a giggle, because I could have measured, y'all, and made it so much easier on myself, but I didn't do that. So if y'all do something like this, measure, because look at me. Y'all, I could have saved so much time. Anyway, then I took some Mod Podge and attached the tissue paper. Tried to get all the bubbles out. Wasn't really real concerned getting them all out. Then I did a top coat of Mod Podge and I let it dry. That's the top of the dresser. I didn't show y'all me doing that. So anyway, there's all the drawers in the dresser. I haven't cut off the excess yet, but I'm about to. Do y'all see me using my sandpaper? My sander? No. That does not work. But look, I know it's not working, but look, I'm still going. Keep on. Keep on. It's going to work eventually. No, it's not. I finally get smart and use a box cutter. And the panels are raised. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I just barely cut it and then took it off, the excess. Now let me give y'all a hint when you're using Mod Podge and tissue paper. You want to be real careful where you put the Mod Podge, because if you put the Mod Podge just willy-nilly like yours truly did, the tissue paper is going to stick everywhere where you don't want it. And then you have to try to get it off. And it doesn't want to come off. And you don't want to peel your paint off. So I have tissue paper where I don't want it. I said, you know what, self, let's just keep going. It's okay. This was your hot mess part. Let's just keep on moving forward. But first I have to show y'all more of me trying to get the tissue paper off where it's not supposed to be. Then I go back in using the linen white chalk paint and I paint the sides. And I just painted over that tissue paper, y'all, that had gotten on the, where I didn't want it. I just painted over it. And I think I did 2 or 3 coats to cover everything, not just the tissue paper where I didn't want it. How many times have I said that so far? So anywho, now I'm painting the front, and look, I'm in my Grinch Christmas pajamas. Y'all, come on. So that's after everything's painted, everything's trimmed off except the top. Now the top's trimmed off. And I use Polycrylic. It's water-based. I did the final layer. That's what I sealed everything in with. And I think I have a picture of it coming up. But it looks so good, y'all. just going to keep moving on. Look at my foot. Oh my gosh, I'm in my house shoes. There's the Polycrylic. And I got it at Walmart. I think it was like $4 something. Look how shiny it is. It's so pretty. Now let's talk about the handles that go on there. I ordered some from Amazon and realized those are 2 different sizes. There's a large one and a small one. So 2.5 inches and 3 inches. So I have handles that I have to send back. So I just decided to use the original handles. I spray painted them black. It's not perfect. I wasn't looking for perfect this time, but look at it. I am so happy with this. It's in my craft room, and there's 6 drawers. I know it looks like more, but there's just 6, but they're different size drawers. Y'all, I don't know what I'm going to put in all these drawers, so if y'all have any ideas of storage organization for these, please, please, please let me know. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, Happy New Year. This is the first video of the new year, and I'm looking forward to putting more out for you. Bye.